All right, so welcome to the Quilt Ruler Quarterly, part of the IAQ. I'm Becky, Patchwork Posse, and if you're joining me, I'm here to announce what the ruler is going to be for this Quilt Ruler Quarterly. So this is kind of where we take a look at a specific ruler. We watch some videos about it, get some instructions about it, as well as some fun project that you can make using the ruler. So this Quilt Ruler Quarterly is the pineapple trim tool. So this is the kind of blocks that it will make. The pineapple block is very similar to the log cabin. However, log cabins, you're going at like a rectangular around the center block. With the pineapple, you're kind of doing the same sort of thing, but you're doing it on the angles as well. So you have your one across the top, but then you also do the side or the corner. Then you do the side and the other corner, the side and the corner. So you're working around not only doing the vertical and horizontals, but you are doing the angles as well. So with this ruler, you are going to learn how to use it, how to make pineapple quilt blocks easy by using this as you're trimming and making the block bigger. So to show you the project that we are going to be working on with this quarterly ruler is this quilt right here. So you have a choice. You can make one block and do a tiny pillow, a mug rug. You can finish it off as a table topper, whatever you want, just to give yourself a little taste of using the ruler. If you love it and it works great for you, feel free to make 9 blocks. So this quilt features 9 pineapple blocks. This is called Pineapple Winter. I'm super imaginative when it comes to my names, my quilts. In the center, you're going to see a little embroidery design. This is hand embroidered. If you'd like to do machine embroidery, that's just fine as well, but it's just super simple, little stitches, straight lines, okay? So there are 9 blocks altogether. There's no sashing. You are sewing these blocks right next to each other. And then I believe we're using the outside border is using the bits that you cut off while you trim. So you use the ruler, trimming the blocks, and all these little bits get to be sewn together, kind of like the mile a minute method, and used as the outside. So this just gives you a little bit of taste of how this ruler works. It's not a super big project. It's like a 36 by 36 square. So something that you can do if you don't love it, there will be other additional projects you can check out. Again, or you can make just one block, be happy with it, make it a mug rug, give it away, use it on the back of some other quilt that you're making. So lots of choices with this. I am super excited to let you know how this ruler works. Explore it a little bit different, a little bit of a different technique using the ruler. But what I'm really excited about is to see what kind of progress you make. And of course, either your little quilts or your blocks that you have chosen to make using the ruler. So with that, I am excited to see everything you've done in the gallery. And again, if you have any questions about using this ruler or resources or whatever, please post them in the forum and I will see you later.